and hope you will be fine as we are continuing with different type of data structures in an operating system. Today we will study about on disk data structure. It means what type of structure we are applying on a hard disk. Now we can say that there are various on disk data structure that are used to implement a file system. Now the first one is we have boot control block. Now as we know that this boot contains the information how to load a window or how to load a Unix operating system. Now this block contains all the information which is needed to boot an operating system. Now, as we know that we have a Unix operating system, so it consists of a boot block. Now, as we know that in Windows we have a NTFS system. Now in this there is a partition boot sector. So these contain all the information about how an operating system is loaded on a system. Now the second we have is volume control block. Now this consists of the partition of an hard disk, for example ECDF. Now this block contains all the information about a volume. For example, size of each block, number of blocks, partition table, and free blocks. Now all the information about a volume is stored in master file table. Now the third type of on disk data structure we have is directory structure. Now as we know that every operating system, whether it will be a window, whether it will be a Mac operating system, or whether we have Unix, every operating system has some directory structure. Now what a directory structure contain? We can say that a Directory structure contains file name and points to the corresponding FCB, that is file control block. Now, in case of Unix operating system, we know that all the information is stored in inode data structure. So, we can say that this inode structure in Unix is associated to a file name. Now, the fourth type of data structure we have is file control block. In short form, it is known as FCB. So, the FCB will contain, first of all, let us understand what type of block a FCB have. Now, in the memory, the FCB contains different type of information. For example, we have file permissions, we have file details, the file size, we have its owner detail, and all type of information are stored in the file control block. Now we have Windows. Now in Windows we can say that we have NTFS system. In NTFS, the information is saved in relational database. Now as we have different type of databases, now the information is stored in rows and column in NTFS system. Now in Unix, that is Unix operating system, file detail is stored in master file of a inode system. So hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.